How to fix TextNow app not working? First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Poor connectivity is one of the most common reasons the TextNow app may not work properly. Next, try closing the app completely and reopening it. Sometimes simply restarting the app can solve temporary glitches or loading issues. If the app still isn't working, check for updates in the Play Store. Outdated versions of TextNow can cause performance problems, so make sure you are using the latest version. Clearing the app cache is another effective method. Go to your device settings, find TextNow in the app list, and select Clear Cache. This can fix issues caused by stored temporary files. If none of these steps work, try restarting your device. A fresh restart can refresh system resources and resolve app conflict. Additionally, uninstalling and reinstalling the TextNow app can solve persistent problems by giving you a clean installation. Now you know how to fix TextNow app not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.